Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Souter Motors. J-Lap with you. And today I have a travel trailer for you. It is a 2014 Keystone Outback 323BH, which stands for bunkhouse, and we will show you that bunkhouse after we open it up and go around the outside. We will go to the inside. Let's get to it. Here we are, opened up, underneath the 2014 Outback, as you saw, 323BH. This has the Arctic barrier, as you also just saw, so well insulated. We've got the fiberglass sides here, great insulation, 4-season camping. This is a 36-foot long trailer, weighs about 9,000 pounds, fully loaded. We've got 2 slides on it. Show the exterior here. Got the aluminum wheels, great tread on the tires. Front there. Got our power awning. Nice outdoor space here. That is our kitchen slide. Pass through storage with our grill with a quick connect for the propane down there, but this does pass through. You will see that. We've got our tongue jack and our propane bottles up front. We have a nice fiberglass front. Keeps the water going in the right direction, which is not inside. Other side of the pass through. Here is our giant wall slide. Creates very open living space, and it's an awesome layout, which we will show you in a bit. But this is one big slide with our bunkhouse, with our couch, and our dinette all in it. Now, this is a 50 amp setup, so know that. Got our spare with the cover. We have a grill mount for our outdoor kitchen, as well as our propane grill outside. We do have a beautiful little refrigerator, storage, sink, all of the stuff you need. Nice overhead space here. Great outdoor space. Right by the awning, right by the entrance. We are now going to go to the interior. Follow. Oh, hello folks, welcome to the interior. Door slam. Alright, here we are, inside bunkhouse. As I mentioned outside, this giant slide goes all the way to the back and really opens everything up. Love the layout. So, we are going to start right here in the main living space. Start with the kitchen. We've got an island with a large sink on it. Right there. Nice big sink. Giving you plenty of counter space for prep beside the stove, which is a 3-burner and an oven combination. Our microwave is tucked down here, which also gives you overhead storage, which is nice. More storage on the side here. Got the metal runners, nice solid latches, more storage underneath. Can never have too much storage, especially in a trailer that sleeps 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Always good to have storage. Freezer, Dometic. Refrigerator, also Dometic because it's the same unit. It is a gas or electric RV refrigerator. Over here, we've got our entertainment TV. Will swing out so you can sit, relax, watch. We've got our system right here. It is a Bluetooth system. Also CD player, DVD player, all of that jazz. Over here, pull out or jackknifing sofa. Which one is it? Let's find out, folks. Oh, it's a pull out. So we got 2. It's a double bed that'll fold out here. Sleeps 2. Dinette goes down, sleeps 2. We've got more storage underneath, there and there. Got a nice little stool for you. Good pantry space over here. Missed that earlier. Love pantry. In the back, Big old bunkhouse. We've got an accordion door for privacy, but otherwise it's nice and open. Got a comfortable sofa that will pull out, sleep two. This guy is a bunk, and it's on the struts, which is awesome. So that'll sleep. Storage back here, storage right here. Entertainment hookups right here. Drawers. Ooh, little fancy ladder that pulls out here, and bunk up top. This is all ducted for AC. Follow me. Kitchen, dining room, living room, bunk. This, up. Control panel, slide outs, awning, water pump, water heater, tank readers, all that stuff right there. Light switches, and our nice large bathroom. Big old corner shower. Storage underneath, storage above. Everybody say hi, Ethan. Today is Ethan's birthday. Happy birthday, Ethan. Big old corner shower. Toilet is at angle, giving you plenty of leg room. Also plenty of space to get out of the shower, dry off, turn around, all that stuff, which is important. To the back. To the front. This is the front. The thermostat, that's what that's called. Come on into the master. You do have room to walk all the way around the mattress. We have a TV located right here. We have bathroom access right here. Always nice to have. Storage above, not just shelf, but drawer, hanging wardrobe on each side, plus a shelf here, with the outlet, so we can be charging our phones at night and have a little cubby hole for it. It's fantastic. What more could you want? If you do want a second AC, as I mentioned, because this is a 50 amp service, right here is your tie-in. It is wired and prepped for a second AC. So if you do want more, that would be what you would want, and it's possible. That's all I have to say about that. 2014 Keystone Outback 323BH. Folks have any questions, call us at Souter Motors. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic day.